Theuns, I know that we had the discussion as well in the past, but we also have new viewers. Making use of a winch, taking out the cable is normally a kind of counterweight, what do you call it, a blanket, a safety blanket.
Correct.
This time I didn't see any safety blankets. The dynamics about the synthetic ropes.
Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, Winches is a beautiful product. We've seen it today in action quite a lot within this swamps that we drove through. We got stuck a few times. We actually played a bit, but that was the idea, to test the product, to see how it performs. You did ask the question, why not use the bag or the protection bag when you use a synthetic cable? It's as simple as that. The synthetic cable, when it breaks, it doesn't snap like a cable. It doesn't snap back, throwing the cable inside the car. Normally the rope just breaks and it drops to the ground, so it's a lot safer. And yes, it's always good to use that protection blanket. For us, that's used to the product. We know what to do and what not to do. We will never allow a person in front of the vehicle or close to the cable while we're working. We operate the product from inside the car, and that's all things that keeps us safe. We know that the cable is not, or the rope is not going to snap, and it won't damage anything. So I hope that you understand the difference between the rope and the synthetic rope and the cable.
Last point from my side, cooking points, recovering points. That plays obviously a vital part.
Absolutely.
You see so many times one person tried to pull out another person, like we did now with mud. I mean,
yeah.
We were equipped. Now you get that dude, a piece of rope over the tow bar.
Yes.
What do you call it? The ball.
The tow ball. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And there starts
no, that's very, very dangerous to do that. That ball, or that piece on which that ball is mounted, is not built for the weight of a vehicle. You must remember that you tow a trailer behind you that's a quarter of the vehicle that's towing. It's more built for downwards pressure than actually towing pressure. So yes, when you use a cable or a rope, putting it onto that tow ball, you are taking a serious risk. That ball will break off. It will go through your windscreen, and it may even kill people. We've seen it many times, and it's really, really dangerous. Most of the vehicles comes with let's call it onboard hook that you can use. It's normally also always in front or in the back, and use that. It's strong enough to pull out the vehicle. It's not the begin and the end to use. I mean, there's things like recovery or rated recovery points. But when your vehicle is quite heavily loaded, then of course the rated recovery points come into action. That's something quite a little bit more intricate.